What is going on, guys? Welcome to another video. So this is going to be like an update of my high ticket affiliate marketing results, but just let me check because I want to so I think that I am live, but I don't know videos. Okay, that's good. Okay, so basically I'm going to show you guys the things that I'm doing in my affiliate marketing business. So I have been doing affiliate marketing since 2017, and I can tell you some important things if you are a complete beginner. For example, one of those things is that it takes time. Some people say that this is free, this is easy. So I don't think that affiliate marketing is free, but because you need to use your time, and your time is the most important thing that you have in your lives. So for that reason, I think that affiliate marketing is not free. And the other thing is that some people say that it's easy. So it's simple to understand the business model, but I think that it's not easy because you need to put in the work. Because if you don't work on creating content, on building your own system to promote multiple products, it's going to be hard to make commissions. Another thing that is important is that you need to have patience. So when I started in 2017, it took me 1 year to get my first affiliate commission. 1 year. And that requires patience and discipline because you need to create content. So if you can create content every day, you are going to grow faster. So those are some important things that you need to know if you are a complete beginner. So basically, this is my affiliate dashboard for the high ticket product that I promote. So I promote Freedom Accelerator, and also I promote Legendary Marketer. So Legendary Marketer is one of the well-known products in this space of the affiliate marketing niche or the make money online niche. But I promote as well Freedom Accelerator. So I bought this high ticket product and I promote this product through the love ticket, which is the 72-hour challenge. So basically, affiliate marketing means promoting other people's products, and you can promote products from Amazon.com, Clickbank.com, Digistore24, JBSU. Those are affiliate marketplaces. You can go there and find products to promote. But I like to promote high ticket products because you can make, for example, more commissions from one sale. And basically, when you are promoting high ticket products, you are promoting high quality products. And I can tell you from my experience that this is a high quality training on affiliate marketing. But I'm going to talk super straightforward. This training is not going to help you if you are not willing to put in the work. That is the real truth. So if you are not willing to put in the real if you are not willing to put in the work, it's better to not buy any high ticket course. It's better to just watch YouTube videos and learn from free, because to invest in a product like this one, you need to be willing to, for example, study the lessons, go through every module. For example, what is this 4 phases of freedom, how to build this automated sales system. And once you have watched the lesson, you need to put into practice. So basically, that is important. Now, let me show you some of the things that I learned from Jonathan. For example, this one is really important, building the automated sales system. So what is that? I'm going to scroll down. And as you may know, that if someone buys through our affiliate links, you can make a commission. And these are my affiliate links. If someone goes to these pages and buys the 72-hour challenge, which is the product that I'm promoting, I can make a commission. But you need to promote your links in the right way to succeed. And what is the right way? So let's say that this is my affiliate link. So the right way is to create a capture page to capture an email and then redirect those people to your affiliate offer. Some people say that or explain that you can drive traffic to your affiliate link and make commissions, and that is truth. You can make commissions that way. I have been making commissions with this strategy for many years, but the problem with this strategy is that, let's say that you have created this YouTube channel and you have all this content to promote your affiliate offer. Sometimes the companies can shut down their affiliate programs, and when that happens, your affiliate link is not going to work. That means that you will need to start all over again to promote another product. But if you capture the email before sending the people to your affiliate offer, this is an asset that you are building, because this is like, for example, a list of prospects. And once you have collected that information, you can write an email and promote any affiliate product or any affiliate offer or any software or anything that you want, that you know that is high quality. This is really important because people are going to know, like, and trust you. So that is why I like to promote things that I'm using or I studied first. For example, this one has, as you can see on the screen, traffic strategies. So how to create videos between 5 and 15 second short videos, how to create artificial intelligence videos, how to use Instagram, Facebook Reels, DM closing, and YouTube. Now, one of the most powerful lessons that I studied from this training is the phase number 2, the automated traffic machine, because YouTube is super powerful to drive customers to your own sales funnel. So basically, once you have built your own sales funnel, which are pages, so it's like having a website that is a sales funnel. So this is the opt-in page that you use to capture the email, and once people write their information, so they will go, for example, to a second page, and then they will go to a third page. And then once you have collected the email, it's important to build an ordering sequence and use email marketing. And you can write multiple emails, for example, 1, 2, 3, all the emails that you want. And inside of the emails, let's say that this is the link. And inside of the emails, you can put your affiliate link, and all the people is going to start receiving all these emails to go to the same main core offer. For example, in email number 1, number 2, number 3. It's important as well to write emails to only give valuable information without any links, because if you are sending like promo after promo after promo, people are going to stop opening your emails. That is why it's important to write as well valuable emails without any links. And you can write more emails as well to promote supporting offers. So once you have chosen your main core offer, you can choose supporting offer number 2, supporting offer number 3, and 4, and 5, and so on and so forth. That is basically what Jonathan teaches in phase number 1, how to build this A/B map part 1, how to build the A/B map part 2. So he explains perfectly how to build this A/B map, which are products that you are going to promote to help people to go from a point A to a point B. So basically, we are helping people. That is affiliate marketing. We are helping people with the information that we have. And as you can see, if we go to phase number 3, how to increase conversions, I'm working on this part, so I need to work more here on how to increase my conversions. So I need to create my own bonus offer, and I have like many ideas, but I need to like put in the work, right? To increase my conversions. And phase number 4 is how to make them scale. I'm not even in this part yet. because I'm working on phase number 3. So basically, high ticket affiliate marketing, guys, is promoting high ticket products. Like, for example, you can go to Google and write high ticket products for the relationship niche. So basically, there are 3 niches. Those are the best ones to find products to promote. For example, you can go to Google and write best high ticket relationship niche products, or best high ticket make money online niche products, or best high ticket health and fitness products, affiliate marketing products, because those are the best niches that you can utilize to find products. The make money niche, the relationships, and the health and fitness, or the health niche. So I promote products in the make money online niche, as you can see, and that is how I'm building my own YouTube channel. This is an English YouTube channel, and I'm building this YouTube channel by utilizing this framework that is inside of phase number 2. And I'm promoting this product because this is one of the, so all this information on how to create your own, so how to traffic machine in Northern Hub, YouTube setup and understanding the video categories, the perfect YouTube script, YouTube content hacking exercise, distribute to blow up your channel, advanced YouTube analytics. So all this stuff, it's important to know from A to Z to grow a YouTube channel. Because when I started to grow my YouTube channel, so I just struggled a lot, guys. I just struggled like you can't imagine having a YouTube channel in another language. Dude, it's hard, so you need to work hard. But I'm doing it because I have the persistence and the discipline. And I struggled in the past because I didn't have the right frameworks. And here you can learn the right frameworks. And if you have the discipline, the effort, the consistency, and the patience, you can grow a YouTube channel as well. And basically, I'm creating content on my YouTube channel and I'm driving traffic to my own automated sales system through YouTube. And I have that system inside of ClickFunnels. So this is a funnel builder and GetResponse as well. I use GetResponse for the nurturing sequence and ClickFunnels for the sales funnels. But I'm using as well this software Funnel Freedom Joe. This one. So what is cool about this software Funnel Freedom is that it has this 7-figure done for you system that you can clone from Jonathan Montoya. So you can utilize this funnel. And I'm making commissions with this system as well. So I like to try like many different softwares. I like to know how they work. ClickFunnels, GetResponse, Funnel Freedom. And basically inside of Funnel Freedom, this is the funnel that you can utilize. This is the opt-in page to capture emails. And the lead magnet that you can give away for free is a free course. You need to give away something for free to exchange that free thing for the email. So for example, in some of the funnels, I'm giving away a free ebook, my free training. For this example, I'm giving away a free course that I didn't create. Jonathan Montoya created this course for his affiliates. And what is cool is that, let me show you quickly. I'm going to click on Funnel Freedom, and then I'm going to click on affiliate link settings, because Funnel Freedom has a 7-figure done for you system in which we just need to copy and paste our affiliate links inside of this page. As you can see, this is my affiliate link for the 72-hour challenge. This is for Freedom Accelerator. This is for Funnel Freedom, Secret of Success. These are all affiliate these are all products that I'm promoting as an affiliate marketer. Get a Response, Udemy, and these are my affiliate links. And then I click here on update affiliate links, and I started to send traffic to the funnel. And Funnel Freedom has an entire nurturing sequence of 365 days. And the thing is that we just need to copy and paste our affiliate links, and Funnel Freedom is going to start sending all these emails to our email list, which is cool because building this entire ecosystem of products, like going into the marketplaces and find and build your own A/B map, go and find your main core offer. So this is only for the make money online niche, right? Find a main core offer, find the supporting offers, and then write all the emails or the nurturing sequence, building a lead magnet, building the opt-in pages. So that requires work and effort, as you can see. And basically that is why I bought Funnel Freedom, because it has that system. And for someone like me that I don't have, like, I need to work on my copywriting skills for email marketing. So this is like really good to learn how Jonathan went from like 0 to his 7-figure affiliate marketing business. So that's it for this video, guys. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up.